Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where this part has encountered an error, the parameter is incorrect. So, what can you do about it? The best solution will be to run a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Now press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the process. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to update all drivers. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.